Action.
Now? Hello. You're... I know it's funny.
Go, Zoe. Go. Zoe, it's funny. Zoe, it's funny. Sit down. Okay.
Okay, action. Hello. You're watching where we talk about things on TV. Today's guest is Sydney.
6 degrees.
Oh boy, it's nice outside.
6 degrees.
It's 6 degrees outside, and the dog's sitting inside.
Oh, sorry, I'm late. So cool, better take my boots off.
I thought it was nice out.
Boy, oh boy, is it chilly out.
I thought it was nice out.
Oh, it's so chilly out. Hi, I'm Sydney. I like talking about random things and wearing big, oversized clothes and talking in this huge, high voice, too. Stop
See?
looking at me like that.
That wasn't in the script.
What? There is no script, you idiot.
Script, no?
And this is our new...
What do you call that thing? What's that?
It's a...
How do you zoom in?
She licked me.
What is it? What do you think it is? She just came here from Saskatchewan.
Sweden.
I think it's a porcupine. I guess I know. No. So, isn't this called talk about? What do we talk about? Don't you ask me questions?
You forgot about what you're... She's supposed to be talking about her days in Saskatchewan when she was touring.
What do you discuss what? What does it talk about? You asked me 5 questions.
Okay.
I thought it was 6 questions.
Okay.
Dun-dun-dun.
I know most.
Okay.
Ooh. Somebody's.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you some very hard questions. What's your favorite color?
Where's the zoom in button?
I like anything you're not wearing.
She didn't
Oh,
mean that.
I wasn't facing you guys. Sorry.
Okay. She didn't really mean about anything that I was wearing. But anyway,
Zoom in.
what
Yeah.
your...
Okay, where the heck is the zoom in button anyways? Sorry.
It's the little 2 side-to-side thingies.
Side to side thingies.
This is a wrap.
Keep it going.
Okay.
Where it says T and W?
Don't even bother pressing
Please.
it. It's already adjusted just fine.
Please. I can hardly see you guys.
See, error.
Oh, fine. Just go back.
Okay. Sorry, I just need the washroom. I shouldn't do this in the script.
Not you viewers. Camera.
Okay, everybody, commercial time.
Oh my God.
I'm just kidding.
Then our daily bread is tasty. Okay, we're back. And we're back.
So, do you ever have a pet before?
Oh. I remember having a puppy. What? Then again. Oh,
What's
and then
that?
you came to my house and
Zoom in.
visited me and you touched it
Zoom
and then
in.
you died.
Zoom in.
You...
Where is zoom in? Please tell me where zoom in is.
Last time I checked, they had 3 more questions.
Hey, look. Grace.
Don't bother, it's just fine, Sierra.
So, what's your favorite kind of clothing? Like how you wear, like tall, skinny, tight, big?
Big baggy things.
So, I thought you were supposed to be a little bit more...
Sophisticated.
Yeah. Hey, you...
I don't.
like this guy.
You're the cameraman. You're the cameraman. You
I don't
do
know
not
what it
talk.
means.
You're the cameraman. You do not talk.
I don't
Me either.
Because you're an idiot. Okay. Leave the cup. Have you ever been is this your first talk show?
What's a talk show?
Airplane.
Commercial. Okay, now shut it off.
And some pop. Oh, look at their bear.
And then. Okay, now commercial.
Cut.
That is the wrap. What do I press cut? Okay, where the heck? Can you please tell me?
She's stupid.
She's sure mean.
Make a
And
stupid
say-
lady.
Say the whole